Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 in Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 725. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest $1 into Bitcoin every single day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Here we are on the investment section on the Bitcoin tab. Bitcoin is currently at $36,179. Pretty volatile today, up almost 12%. My holdings are $3,061. Let's look at the week here, up about 11% on the week. Really just going straight up today from 32,000, up 27% on the month and 287% on the year. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, take a look at the news. I think the most interesting news somehow is Elon Musk changes his Twitter bio to mention only Bitcoin, as you can see right there. So we've just been experiencing a crazy time in investing with all this GameStop and stock market short stuff squeezing out billionaire Wall Street investors, and then we've got Dogecoin. Now Bitcoin's going crazy. It looks like they might be talking about Tron now. It's just a wild time. It's kind of something that I predicted, and I even talked about this in my last video. It's just a new era of investing where we have these apps where you can buy anything instantly, and there's going to be a lot of hype. People are going to buy because they think it's cool. People are going to buy it to follow trends or to make other people mad. People are going to collect tokens and stocks and assets, and they're going to get this stuff regardless of any investing fundamentals that exist. So just buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride for a while. Next question, should you invest in Doge? Let's take a look at this real quick. 1 second here. Okay. So here's the Doge versus BTC chart. So history shows this is a good time to sell Doge. Now, like I just said, we're in a new era of investing. Anything could happen. I don't really consider this part of the chart. So we're looking at like right there. So pretty much a good time to sell Doge. But who knows, man? Anything could happen. You guys have seen my other crypto picks that I think have a lot of potential, and that would be Sync and Legacy, and even TRX is severely undervalued right now, I think. But I don't know. We will see. You really can't predict anything right now, except that everything's probably gonna go up. Bitcoin owned 0.045588, buying $1 every day, as you can see under the activity tab. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap the three dots, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. Just like that, we've invested a little bit more Bitcoin. Oh man, this has been happening. Unable to connect to the internet. Okay, let's try it again. Went through. I think they're just experiencing like crazy volume on all these different apps and exchanges. So bumping up our Bitcoin owned to 0.08461513. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging, buying a little bit every single day. It's been a crazy experiment. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,057. 3057 divided by 725 days equals a 4.21x on my investment. What this means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.21. Crazy stuff, going extremely well. Excited to continue this experiment to the end of time. Just continue to swap our US dollars for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and stocks. Anything that we can trade that trash for. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. There's also other ways to earn free cryptocurrency and Bitcoin down in the description. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.